just want you guys to see this real quick. And it says, in every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. That's beautiful. Can you please elaborate there, Mimi? Because I need more understanding.
Are you serious?
I'm joking. So here we go again, guys. Another adventure, and this time we're gonna be learning how to operate a boat and get our boat license. So I will be doing it with Taze. So Minnie, she will be getting her boat license as well. And after this, we're gonna get our scuba diving license.
Scooby Dooby Doo.
So we got our food, we got our water. So we never know, you know, we might get stranded and need water.
It's so hot out here, y'all.
Right here is this way.
I really don't know where we're going, but it's so hot. They told us to bring a jacket. I don't know about that. And y'all, look at our shoes. Look at this.
Yeah.
They're looking kind of big.
Look at that.
We got.
So if you got wide toes, this is perfect for you. And if you want to walk on the ground with like feeling like barefoot, this is perfect. You know, this is why I got it. I love Crocs and the comfort of Crocs, so that's why I got this. So if you love Crocs, get them.
So yeah, this is supposed to help like spread your feet out. So you know, regular toes they like squish our feet in. It's not good for our feet.
Beautiful. Baby, where the fuck are we going?
This is nice though. I don't know. Oh Jesus. I don't even know if we're going the right way.
I think our boat is over there. Let's go
Can
back.
we see what's over here?
Baby, there's no way. That's over here. Hey, Mimi.
Okay, it's too hot.
It's too hot. It's nice out here, guys. She is getting ready for her lesson of the day.
So yeah, this is not normal boat attire, but you know I wasn't really prepared. I want to get in the water.
They said no swimming though.
Over here?
Yeah.
I should have brought my phone too. I was not thinking.
You got it. No, it's nice. There's a wave chasing us. If you stop real fast, that wave and slam into the back of the boat, some people in the back might get wet. That was cute. That way. So now we're gonna give it a little bit of gas.
So what we're gonna do is, right now it's stuck in neutral, okay? Only way to get out of neutral is to pull the trigger. So the trigger underneath here. So you pull the trigger, slowly move it forward until you get it click, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Right there, bam, that click. So now what we're doing is right now we're going forward. So like putting your vehicle in drive, if you don't know, you just put your vehicle in drive, right, it'll creep forward on you, right? Same thing here, except our boat's called forward and reverse. So right now we're just idling, okay? And this is idle speed, so you don't have to have the red thing attached, the kill switch attached to you, but we're fixing to get after it, so we're gonna have it attached to it. So now we're facing this way, you can straighten the wheel back up. You can look behind you and see when you're straight. All right, straight. All right, so now let everybody know you're fixing to gas it, and then gas it.
All right, ready?
Whoosh! All the way, give it all the gas.
All the way?
Yep. Turn right.
Right?
Get a little tough, turn.
I don't feel good, guys.
Alright.
Wow. I'm nervous.
You got
Oh,
it.
it's good. It's fun. Alright. So we're gonna pull that and just barely put it into gear. Keep going, right there.
Oh, you didn't let us know.
Turn the wheel this way. Give it all the gas.
All right, guys. All right, beautiful people. We just got done with our boat lesson.
And boat ride.
Boat ride.
It's so crazy.
Now we gotta go back to the car, get some AC because we are hot. Especially Tiana with her city girl outfit.
This is not a city girl.
Well, whatever that outfit
I
is.
look like a country girl, actually.
So
I look like I'm from the farm. Shit.
yeah, it's been a great day, and I encourage you guys to go out there, get on the boat, get on the jet ski, experience the beautiful earth.
Yes.